What about us? We are all having our faith in Jesus, but it should be so strong. There was a lady who was confronted with negative in her life through the people whom she worked so hard. She gave her best to them, and they turned against her. This was going on, and she kept on saying, "No, I have made a decision to be good to them. I'll continue." But there came a time when she could not take it anymore, and she despaired. But she despaired, but called on to the Lord and did some things which she regretted. And for long, she was suffering because of what she did, when at all the time she was doing good. Now, because it was intolerable, she did something bad. So this was eating her up. So she said, "Where will the Lord help me to get this out of my system?" And then finally, the Lord sent her a person who helped her to see that what she did was truly in despair, but always in the Lord, which she could not see at that time. And when she saw that it is only the Lord who can set us free from evil and sin, that she began to feel the healing. And it was immediate. She just saw it, she felt healed, she felt reconciled with Jesus, and that now she will allow Jesus to live, love and work through her thoughts, words and deeds. So these are experiences of people. My dear sisters and brothers, these are your experiences too. Let us now ask the Lord to bless all of us so that we may have this strong faith in the midst of all the trials and temptations and challenges that we may face.